Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you trade on other pairs like GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, gold and others. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you are very much aware of these levels here. And to be honest, okay, we do not see any huge change on the chart right now. So overall, the levels are still intact on the chart of Euro USD. So first of all, I would like to take you to the economic calendar here. Keep in mind, tomorrow NFP is coming up, and as we all know, NFP is a horror story, like a horror story. At least it's for me. So be careful tomorrow and today also. If you have an open position on any euro pairs, then there may be some volatility because you can see that PMI coming up on euro and as well as pound. Okay, so be careful. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, and here is our beloved Euro USD. So we can see that 65% retail traders are on the sell side and only 34% are on this long side. And what is the average short price? It's the average short price is 1.125, and right now market is trading at 1.130. Okay, so as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money because they fail to follow the trend of the market. So the trend of the market has changed, okay, and right now there is a good bullishness, okay, heavy bullishness on the market right now. So let's see whether, if you have an open position, whether you can be recover your money or not, and if you are looking for a fresh opportunity on the market, what should be your trading strategy. So first of all, I would like to talk about DXY. And as we all know, DXY plays a huge role on all the USD pairs. And if you trade on any USD pair, if you are a fan of any USD pair like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, then knowing the movement body language of dollar is extremely crucial. Okay, so as per our expectation, DXY is trying to hold the level of 96 here. Okay, so DXY is giving its best fight to hold the level of 96. Yesterday it made a low of 95.80. So right now, okay, DXY is trying to bounce, but in case DXY fails to hold the level, okay, and if we see DXY crossing or breaking the level of 95.80, then it will be a problem for DXY, and there will be buying on Euro USD again. So 95.80 on the downside is very crucial for DXY. And as you can see that right now DXY US dollar is trying to build a support here. So yes, there is a possibility of DXY going up as well. Okay, and if DXY breaks the level of 95.80, then the next support will be at 95.60 to 95.40. Okay, so when DXY will be going down, you should be having buy position on Euro USD, because there is a possibility of Euro USD going up. Okay, and yes, as I said, there is a possibility of dollar going up from here because dollar is trying to take support here. And if you look at the currency strength meter, we can see that dollar is on the green side today. Dollar are strong, so there is a possibility of, as the day will pass, dollar will get stronger and stronger because dollar is standing or trying to build a support on the chart. Keep in mind. Okay, so be careful with Euro USD today. And this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD. So to be honest, at this particular portion of the market, okay, at this particular portion of the market, if you ask me, Abhilash, what should I do? Whether I should take a buy or whether I should take a sell, then I'll say that this is not the ideal position. Okay, just ask yourself, my dear friend, okay, Do you think that this portion of the market deserves your hard-earned money? This may be the chart of Euro USD, the most popular currency pair, the crush of all the forex traders. But do you think that this chart, the particular portion of this market deserves your hard-earned money? Obviously, no. The answer is no. Okay, but yes, if DXY breaks the level of 95.80 and starts going down, in case, then yes, there will be a buying on Euro USD again. Yesterday, okay, listen to me carefully. Yesterday, there was a bullishness on Euro USD. It was trying to break the level here, you can see. But the 200 moving average, okay, the 200 moving average acted as a dynamic resistance, and ultimately it had to settle below. Okay, so it did not allow the market to go up. So the 200 moving average is acting as a valid strong resistance for Euro USD. Do not forget that. So until and unless Euro USD crosses the 200 moving average on the 4 hours chart, okay, do not take any buy position. That will be a big risk for you. Okay, so if you see that dollar is weak, it has crossed the level of 200 moving average, that point of time you can take a buy position. But otherwise taking a buy position at this moment, okay, in this particular portion of the market is very risky, because yesterday Euro USD tried but it failed also. So save yourself from false breakouts. False breakouts are very dangerous. And if we see good buying, okay, this chart is complicated, so please don't mind. And if we see good buying or dollar going up from the present portion of the market of 96 level, then there is a possibility of Euro USD coming down and retracing from here. Okay, this may be a retracement level for Euro USD. Okay, so if you want to take a sell position, you can take a sell position, but this is not a ideal selling market, because overall the present trend is very bullish. So if you see Euro USD coming down, okay, wait for the retracement. The retracement level can be will be 1.1280 to 1.1260. 1.1280 to 1.1260. This will be your retracement level. So if Euro USD bounces from this level, you can take a buy position if you see a proper bounce or proper retracement in the market. And yes, there is also a possibility of Euro USD bouncing from this level for day trading purpose only. Okay, for day trading purpose only. So watch the chart carefully. Do not take a buy position if goes up also, until and unless it crosses the 200 moving average here. Okay, and if it goes down, then wait for retracement here. You can find Euro USD retracing and bouncing from this particular level. Yes, and yes, there is a possibility as well. So if Euro USD bounces from this level, you can also take a buy position. But overall, those who are looking for a long trade here, then yes, I would like to mention that remember the analysis on the DXY that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, I talked about the swings on the daily chart of DXY. So, and we can see that DXY is really following it as well. So in the short term, there is a possibility that Euro USD, after crossing this level, okay, may go down again. Okay, may go down again. So let's see how the market reacts after the NFP. Okay, NFP will decide, okay, the next course of the market. So let's wait and watch. Again, I'm saying do not buy above this level, and sorry, do not buy at this moment right now, and only buy if you find market crossing the 200 moving average. And if market retraces and bounces from the this particular portion of the market here, you can also take a buy here. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. Personally, I will not trade on Euro USD. I'll be looking for a better chart. So whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. This is your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.